What is going on, everybody? Shri Kanase here, and welcome back to the best Shopify YouTube channel out there. So if you have been following me on Instagram for a while now, and if you haven't already, be sure to follow me on Instagram. My username is @dedicatedyoung, but I have been posting a lot of screenshots and videos of a new dropshipping store that I have been working on for the past month or so. And the beauty about this store is that it is solely run on Google Ads. Yes, you heard me right. So far, besides retargeting ads on Facebook, I have not used Facebook ads for anything when it comes to cold audience targeting. And I have the store open up here. The dashboard looks a little bit weird because lately I've been using WooCommerce over Shopify, and the main reason behind that is that WooCommerce offers a lot of more control over your website, and a lot of the applications that you use for WooCommerce are a one-time fee. So you're not paying monthly fees as you would with Shopify. And with my own stores, what I've been noticing is Shopify fees after a while become this huge amount, and I just don't want to spend money unnecessarily when WooCommerce does the same exact job, sometimes even better, for a lower cost. But this Google Ad Store is run on WooCommerce, and as you can see on the screen, I have the dashboard open up for the sales for this specific month. So if we go ahead and change the date to the past month, which is April 1st, and then end it today, which is April 30th when I'm recording this video, and hit go, we can see that it changes on the left to $4,885.75, which is about $5,000. And after the fees and everything, it comes down to $4,559.31. So I started getting sales on this WooCommerce store late in April. As you can see, I got the first sale right here around on April 29th or 30th. And from that day on, as you can see, the sales have been going up and down. It is very common for sales to fluctuate even with Google Ads, but I have been finding a little bit more consistency in the past few days. As you can see, the sales are reflected, and I've easily been achieving $100 days and above just these past few days profitably with just Google Ads. And when I show you the ad spend for this WooCommerce store, your mind is going to be blown, because I sometimes have had trouble achieving this kind of profitability with Facebook ads. But what I want to show you is the sales I'm at currently per day. So about 5 days ago, I hit about $300 a day, and then the next day was a big drop because there were some problems I was experiencing with my Google ads. So it dropped to about $50, and then it spiked back up to $194, and then it has been above $100 consistently. Again, it's going to be common to face ups and downs in any advertising platform that you do use. But now that I've shown you the overall sales, which is about $4,559.31 after the fees, let's go ahead and go over to the Google Ads dashboard for this specific store. So right here, I have the Google Ads dashboard open, and as you can see, it is currently on all campaigns. But if we look at this dashboard for this Google Ads stores, which is, by the way, specifically made for that store, I have spent about $1,357.07, and the sales in total were $4,885.75. So if we go ahead and open up our calculator and do some math, we can clearly see that there has been a big gap between the ad spend and the total revenue. So let's do just that. So $4,559.31 after all of the cost for the fees, and we subtract that from this amount, which is about $1,357.07. So just subtract that by $1,357.07, and we're left over with $3,202.24. This amount is our gross profit. We have not calculated the cost of goods yet. And the cost of goods for this Shopify store was around 40% of the total sales. So if we go ahead and type in $4,885.75 and we multiply that by 0.40, we can see that the total cost comes to around $2,000. So let's take the gross profit and subtract that from this number. So $3,202, and let's just round this up to $2,000 for the total cost of goods, and we're left with the whopping $1,202 in profits. And this is just a brand new WooCommerce store which is selling one single product and relying mostly on Google Ads. Starting tomorrow, I will be running Facebook ads for the winning product currently for this WooCommerce store, and sales should explode and go through the roof by then. But this is the power of Google Ads. For a long time, I did not believe that Google Ads had any type of power, and that was the reason why I just put all of my attention, energy, resources on Facebook ads. but I was really wrong. As you can see, it hasn't even been like a full month since I've been running this WooCommerce store, and already I've noticed a lot of profits when it comes to just using Google Ads. So I will be continuing to test more products with Google Ads, and I will keep you guys updated. But just for that, make sure to smash that like button down below and hit that subscribe button if this is the first time you're watching one of my videos. But now that we've gone over the general cost and everything and how much is left inside my pocket, let's go ahead and go over to our Google Doc to show you guys exactly how you can implement a similar strategy on your own stores and implement Google Ads for your store if you're already running one. Alright, so Google Ads, the outline for 0 to 5K days in less than a month. Because that is literally how much it took to get that WooCommerce store up and running. And as I mentioned, you do not have to create a brand new Shopify or WooCommerce store for this strategy. You can implement this within your current Shopify or WooCommerce store. But Google Ads. So when it comes to Google Ads, one problem that I constantly see is that there is not enough resources out there. And because of this, I've created multiple videos on my YouTube channel that relate just to Google Ads. But besides watching just my videos, you should be watching as many videos as you can when it comes to Google Ads. There are a lot of people out there teaching Google Ads, and I learned from them as well before implementing my own strategies. But along with this free YouTube videos, you can also decide to invest in yourself and your future by buying courses or mentoring. Lately, I've been teaching my own students to start with Google Ads, and the results have been crazy. So I do offer mentoring. If you were interested with that, just let me know down in the comment section below. But there are other mentors out there who can teach you about Google Ads as well. It just takes a little bit of investment from your side and also a little bit of work. But Google Ads really is the go-to platform right now because everybody and their dog is on Facebook ads, and there is just too much saturation going on. You have to think outside the box, and with Google Ads, that is exactly what I did. I decided I had enough with Facebook ads. Let's go ahead and try something different. Let's just create a store with just Google advertisements. And as you can see, it has been going successful so far. I plan to scale that to 6 figures for the months to come. But when it comes to Google Ads, it does run a little bit separately from Facebook ads. And when I say that, all I'm saying is there are a little bit of different strategies that you need to be implementing with Google Ads. And the main thing that you need to implement differently is with the products themselves. With the Google Ads, a lot of these products have to be search based. If people are not searching for your products, you're not going to sell anything with your Google ad, no matter what budget or bid you set your advertisement on. You could have the budget at $1,000 a day and the bid at $10 per link click, but if there are literally 0 people searching for your product, it is not going to sell, period. So that is the main difference when it does come to Google Ads. You need to do a little bit more research, and for this research, I recommend using the Google Ads Keywords Planner tool to find keywords for a product. And all the keywords that you find should add up to about 20,000 monthly searches or more per month. So let's say, for example, you want to sell a Walmart HP printer. If I were to do keyword research on that specific product, I would just go ahead and go to the Google Keyword Planner tool and just type in HP printer or Walmart printer and try to find keywords which relate directly to my product, and make sure that all of their search volume adds up to over 20,000. Because if the search volume is below 20,000, you're not going to make as many sales. And again, the YouTube videos, the courses, the mentoring really helps with this because you have a set and clear guideline as to what you are doing, and you have someone by your side, hopefully, telling you to do this and not to do that. But another way to do product research when it does come to Google is to just use your Facebook feed to find potential winning products. And it is the same strategy I've been teaching all this time for people who just do Facebook ads. I have a videos on that. The link should have popped up above my head on the top right. But you basically want to like, comment, share, and go through the funnel of any video ad or image ad that you see on your Facebook feed for a dropshipping store. What this does is it makes Facebook think you are an engaged shopper, or you're engaging with the advertisement itself, and you get added to a high quality of buyers, even though you're not doing any type of purchasing. And in a sense, we are kind of tricking Facebook into thinking that, hey, we are engaged with the advertisement that we see, please show us more ads. And Facebook listens to your wish because they start showing you more and more ads similar to the ones you've been clicking on so far. And that is a great way to find winning products, especially for Google, because if someone is really doing well with a specific product on Facebook, people are most likely going to be starting to search for it on Google. And that is where you come in and steal those sales. Let that person make all those sales from Facebook, and you think outside the box and take those other sales from Google. I know a lot of people doing 50,000 months, 100,000 months just with Google ads, not counting Facebook ads. So it is truly possible to find a lot of success with Google. It just takes the right amount of knowledge and implementing. Hopefully that gave you a little bit more insight as to how you can use Google Ads to your own benefit and the true power of Google Ads. But make sure to leave a like if you did find value in this video, and I'll see you guys next time.